Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to set up KP Fastest Talk to Chat plugin. This is the plugin page and let's set it up in our localhost. So just click on add new plugin and type here talk and our plugin will come up first. Just install it. Once installed, click on activate. You can open plugin setting page from here and this is the page. Plugin can be disabled without deactivating it from here, or you can enable again. The default chat ID is a fake one, so it does not work. So what you have to do is sign up for talk.to and come to your admin page. I am on admin page and you will see that there is a property ID here. Just copy this ID and paste it here. Delay time by default is 10,000 milliseconds, but you can go up to 5,000 milliseconds and just hit save. And if I open the site, in 5 seconds there will be a talk.to chat widget here. Let's talk about controlling the widget. So if you want to exclude this widget from any page, like you have a thank you page or something, and right now the widget loads here in 5 seconds. So if you don't want to show the widget, then just hit thank you, and there is always an ID associated to each post, so use this ID here. And if I refresh this page now, the widget won't load here. And if you have more than one pages, you can just put up comma here and add as many as you like. Just hit save. Another thing to note is when you are on admin page, you can come to chat widget and at the end there is a domain restriction available. What this means is if I open creativopro.com, you will see that in 10 seconds there is a widget coming up here. So I don't want any other site in the world to use this widget. So what I can do is I can start domain restriction and add my site name here. Just hit save. So if I refresh the page, the chat widget will keep loading here. Let's wait for 10 seconds and see. So the domain restriction works in favor of this site, but if I refresh local site, it won't load talk.to now, because if I want to load talk.to here, then I have to set a whitelisted domain here. So this is a great way to secure the talk.to widget. Another thing I wanted to mention that if you like our plugins and need any WordPress help, then you can find us out here, and we are available via online chat, or you can also schedule a free help session with us here. See you then.